students, concentrate.
But Mrs. J, I heard the cooks in the cafeteria have a great lunch program for us today. And I'm starving. Me too. I haven't eaten a thing in minutes.
I'm so hungry. If I went to a restaurant and they showed me the menu, I'd just say, okay.
I'm so hungry you can describe my stomach in 2 letters.
Empty!
I haven't had anything good to eat in like minutes.
Oh, Pete, don't be so picky. Picky Pete, I love it.
Now, students, I know it's just a few minutes before lunch, but we really need to concentrate or you're going to flunk this course.
Course? Okay. I'll start with the salad, then a soup, and for my main course.
That's enough out of you.
But Mrs. J!
What? Do you think teachers never get hungry? Oh, come on, kids. I'm feeling the need for a little something myself. 3, 2, 1. Let's eat!
Give me a salad or a juicy steak. Ice cream melting on a chocolate cake.
Pancake, popcorn, Irish stew,
Cheerios and cheese fondue.
Burger fries, pizza pie, sloppy Joe, or cookie dough, corn on the cob, shish kebab, beef ragu, anything I could chew. After school or after play, fill you up to the big buffet. Let's eat, eating can be good for you. Let's eat, morning, noon, and nighttime too. Let's eat, takes a lot of food for me to grow. Let's eat till my cup and fill my plate. Let's eat till so much, but I can't wait. Gotta